Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a chatbot in just 5 minutes using this website, the Botsonic. So whether you want to automate customer support, generate leads, or enhance user engagement, this tool makes it super easy. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to identify what is this website and why use it. So this website is an AI-powered no-code chatbot builder that allows you to create intelligent chatbots without any coding skills. So here's why it is a game changer, guys. So this is very easy to use. So they have their drag and drop builder with an intuitive interface, and it is very AI driven responses. So it uses GPT based AR for human like conversation. It is customizable, so you can modify chatbot workflows, responses, and triggers. They also have their multi-channel support, which deploy chatbots on websites, WhatsApp, Messenger, and more. And their integrations, they connect with CRM tools, e-commerce platforms, and analytics systems. So whether you are a small business owner or a large enterprise, this website will help you scale customers' interaction efficiently. So to get started, guys, you just need to visit their website, which is thebotsonic.com, and sign up for an account. You can choose a free trial, guys, or a premium plan depending on your needs. So if you're new here, guys, you need to request a demo in order for you to have a better understanding on this website. And then once sign in, guys, you will land on the Botsonic dashboard where you can start building your chatbot right away. So here, guys, you can create your chatbot in just a few simple steps. First is just like some of others tutorial, you just need to create new bot in the dashboard. And then here, guys, on this website, they have their template, so you can choose a template here. For example, a customer support, lead generation, frequently asked question bot, or you can also start from scratch, guys. And then you can name your chatbot and upload a brand logo, but on this part, this is just optional, guys, so still it will be depending on you. And then you can select your preferred language for chatbot responses, guys. And now your framework is now ready. And then on training your chatbot, guys, to make your chatbot smarter and more accurate, you can train it, so you can use PDFs or website links for AI learning. And then define custom intents and responses to improve accuracy. You can also use the knowledge base feature to preload answers to common queries. And they also have their test responses in real time using the preview panel. So as you can see here, guys, these are the plan of this website, so you can avail depending on you. They have their different features, but don't worry, guys, you can compare it depending on you. So you can also have your 7-day free trial, guys. And right after that one, you can customize chatbot design and the behavior. So your chatbot, guys, should reflect your brand's personality. So you can customize it. So go through their appearance settings. So there you can choose colors, fonts, and even avatar, guys. And then you can modify the welcome message and then the conversation flow. Then you can enable AI handover to live agents when it is necessary. And then here, guys, the personalization helps improve user engagement and brand consistency. And you can also add chatbot workflows and automation. So they have their automations option. Then you can define triggers such as user inquiries, time delays, or button clicks. And this feature is especially useful for lead generation and customer service bots. Here you can also have a testing and improving chatbot performance, and they have their analyzing chatbot performance, which is the Botsonic Analytics. And that's a wrap, guys. You've just built a fully functional chatbot in under 5 minutes using this website. Whether you need a chatbot for customer service, if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for more tech tutorials.